But you have... Je zou geen lawaai maken.
Kijk waar ik ben! I didn't do it! I was thinking the whole house is coming down.
What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I'm back at it again with yet another Vlogmas video. Today is Wednesday. I woke up like half an hour ago and I am about to start my day. Today I have to do a lot of editing, and because tonight there's another Vlogmas video going up, so I'm gonna get started with that first things first. And hopefully I'll be done around 3, and then we can get in to this day. I also want to do like a little gift guide today, like share with you things that you can give to other people or that you can ask for yourself. So I think that would be a great idea, and we will see how this day goes. Not any concrete plans. The only priority I have is for this video to be edited, uploaded and ready to go at 6 o'clock. So without that being stressful to myself, I have to get started. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to leave me a nice comment down below letting me know how your day is going, how your preparations for Christmas are going, if you're having fun watching Vlogmas. By the way, thank you so much for watching Vlogmas, because I don't know, I just think it's super nice that you watch every video and leave a comment and support me in the way you do. So I wanted to just say thank you so much for watching Vlogmas. It means the world to me. I was so nervous about this because, yeah, I was just afraid that people wouldn't really want to watch something that they didn't really subscribe for, like so many videos a week. But still, you're showing me so much love, so thank you so much. It means everything. But I'm gonna get started with editing. I'll show you a little bit, but not too long, because you know how that works. You know, it's just me sitting behind the screen. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. By the way, as some motivation, I still left my setup from last night, so I'm gonna be editing in full Christmas spirit. It's gonna be my view while I edit. So I hope that motivates me. And by the way, this little clock, if you're interested on having it on your own computer, I will put the link here on the screen so you can download it safely. I already risked my computer, so you don't have to risk yours. But anyways, I will leave the link down in the description box as well. I have looked for this clock for so long and wasn't able to find it, or was afraid to trust a website to download it. So I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out if you're interested. But let's go. Hey amiga, I haven't spoken to you in a while, but it's now 10 minutes past 4. Yes, I've literally been working on this thing all day, but I love you and I do it for you, so it's my pleasure. But it did take me all day though. I did shower in the meantime. I showered around 12, I think, as a little break and just to, you know, get myself together. I'm happy I did though, because now that I'm almost done, I'm gonna quickly work on the thumbnail and on the promotion video so that I can cross promote the vlog when it goes live on my other social media platforms. So yeah, that's that, and hopefully we get to go to the supermarket, because I want to get some stuff to make like a hot cocoa. So that would be nice if we get to do that today. And then yeah, that's that. Actually, I thought I would give you a little update, let you know what I'm doing, and I will see you in a little bit when I'm wrapped up with this. So yeah, and also I would love some fresh air. Yeah. All right, amiga, I finally managed to leave the house. As you can see, it's already dark outside. I'm using my phone as a flashlight, so hopefully I don't run into anyone because I look pretty crazy right now. But I don't care because I love you, so I'm doing it for you. And if I let what other people think define me, then I won't have any content, so I can't let that be my case. But anyways, I'm walking to the supermarket now. I could have biked also, but I was like, I want to walk a little bit. I can use the fresh air. But video is ready. Sorry that I talk about like the video editing and all of that so much lately, but that has been my life. So yeah, automatically I will talk about it that much. But video is ready, scheduled and everything. So I have 45 minutes to go to the supermarket and be back. So I'm gonna make it a quick one, but I'll talk to you in a little bit.
And Christmas is my favorite time. Christmas is my favorite time of year.
So amiga, your girl is back home. I had to promote the video across my other social media channels and all that before I could talk to you because it was already past 6 p.m. So I had to do that. But I thought I would show you the things that I've got. I got whipped cream and I got like these mints. I hope they work for what I want them to do. But this brand of mints, I think I'm gonna crush them and then drizzle some food coloring on top and make like mint for on my peppermint mocha for this. I got some kroephoek and also a new bottle of matcha. I don't know if I already said this, but also some apricots because I want to eat them with my oatmeal. So yeah, that is that. I'm gonna relax a little bit, then I'm gonna start dinner and I'll be back later for a little gift guide. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna change also into something else. It's the next day. Yes, it's the next day. I'm not gonna lie to you, I could have not said anything and just appeared like it's the same day, but no, it's not the same day. Yesterday my brain was just fried, and on top of that, Benny thought it was a good idea to drink red wine, and that shit just straight up sent me to bed. I was so tired afterwards. I felt so drunk, but also so tired that the party was done. So I'm back. I'm gonna give you a little gift guide of things you can ask for or things you can gift to anyone who is on your list that you need to buy a gift for. I think it's a good idea to make a little Christmas drink as we were planned to do yesterday. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna make a hot cocoa with you. I am gonna use soy milk for mine, vanilla soy milk. Easter eggs actually, but I'm gonna use them for my hot cocoa. Watch me. So next up, I'm gonna take some of these mints. I think 2 will be enough. Crushing them, they're not that hard, so you can easily cut them up like this. Small little pieces. Be careful with your fingers though. You do not want to be the reason that you chop your finger off. Like the cushion mints will work even better, but they didn't have those in my supermarket. I'm gonna use my mug. Into the mug I'm gonna pour my hot chocolate. That's perfect. Some of the chocolate still is like in the pan, but it worked out perfectly fine, so it's fine. gonna do 3 because otherwise it's gonna be too sweet and I don't want that. Spritz my... Oh my god. And we drizzle some of the peppermint on top. Like, oh my god. I did too much, probably. I'm gonna do a little bit of that too. And that's it for my little drink. Let's do a taste test. Oh my god, this is so good. Yes, I definitely recommend. I'm gonna set up my lights and then we can do the gift guide. Okay, amiga, it is time to share my gift guide ideas with you guys. Cheers to an amazing drink. I must say that this tastes absolutely amazing. And I 10 out of 10 recommend making this at home. And the peppermint, oh my god. Anyways, we're gonna get into my gift guide. I do want to say again though that whatever gift it is that you get, remember that there are a lot of people that don't get to get gifts at all or whatsoever. So be happy with little gifts as well. Christmas is not about spending and splurging so much money. And remember that we're still in a pandemic. So keeping things cute is recommendable for sure. So with that in mind, we're gonna get started with my ideas that you can gift or things that you can ask for yourself because Christmas is a week away. So the first thing I would recommend are 1-minute journals. You have so many variations, but Pinterest is full of them. Every girl has them and they are super good to reflect on yourself and being grateful and starting your day well. I definitely recommend asking for those or gifting those to someone you think would like them. Another thing that I would recommend is a motivating water bottle, one with the little timestamps on it. It can motivate the person or yourself to drink more water, and we can all do that more. Then another thing that I would recommend are face tools such as gua shas. I bought one the other day and it is amazing. Or face rollers, but also steamers for the face, like all type of face tools. There are a lot of people that are into skincare these days and it's just a cute gift to get. And it's like, I care about you and I want you to take good care of yourself. So I think it's such a nice gesture to give someone something like that. Another thing that is also very great is skincare products. The Ordinary is a very popular brand. The Drunk Elephant is a very popular brand. You have multiple brands right now that are very, very popular. Just check out what the person is into or what you're into yourself and just ask for that. I think it will be amazing with your face roller or your gua sha. That's just great. That goes very well together. And another one, if the person is into that or yourself of course, are crystals. Choose one that you think the person would like, but also that you think matches the person, because I believe that crystals should find their way to you. A very logical one that I would also recommend is to do jewelry with crystals in them. Lovely's by Lulu's has a lot of jewelry with crystals in them. I'm wearing their raw hoop earrings right now, but she has a lot of jewelry with crystals in them and I own a lot of those and I'm really happy with them. And it's just a reminder every day to be grateful, but also to manifest your dreams. And yeah, a reminder to journal and be happy about life. With most of my crystals though, it depends on the meaning, but also like an amethyst one could be one to remind somebody to be calm and, you know, less anxious and stuff. So yeah, I recommend that. Crystals or jewelry with crystals attached to them, I would definitely recommend Lovely's by Lulu for that. Normal jewelry will also do, of course. I recommend Ana Luisa for that. I have a lot of jewelry by them and this video is not sponsored by them, but I genuinely love all their jewelry. I have a link in my description box, so that will direct you to their page. They have their biggest sale going on right now of the year, and you can buy one and get the second one 60% off. So it's definitely worth to check out. But my friends at Maison de Bijoux can also not be forgotten. They have like very cute gold-plated designer jewelry. It's not the real thing, but it's as close to the real thing, and it's gold-plated. She has like little Dior earrings, Dior necklaces, Louis Vuitton necklaces, things like that. So it's fun for the bougie girls out there, or if you are a bougie girl yourself, to buy something there. Nothing is obligated. It's just my recommendation based on everything that I have from them. I'm obsessed. So, and it's kind of stupid in my opinion to buy a necklace from Louis Vuitton for 500 euros, for example. And you know, it's not even real gold that you're getting. So just my 2 cents on that little matter. Another fun thing that I would recommend, and that is so cute to give but also to get as a present yourself, are kokolishi scarves. I have so many. They are so cool, and especially if you are from Curacao, they are a little fun gift to get. So I definitely recommend checking them out as well. They also have other merch such as water bottles, I think prints, things like that. Everything from them is super cute to get, so, or to give. So I definitely recommend checking them out. And the next thing that is fun are planners. They are not that expensive, or they don't have to be, but they are super nice to get and to give to someone. Another thing that is very high on my list are self-help books. I have so many. I will link a few on the screen that you can check out, but I recently finished The Art of Not Giving a Fuck, and it was a very good book. Nothing that I didn't know of, but still a very good reminder to take into your day-to-day life. Then what also is very fun are fun phone cases. I have a link for Ideal of Sweden. If you live in America, you can use Casetify. I really want a case of them, but I still didn't get around ordering it, and I'm not really sure if they ship to Europe, so I need to figure that out. But for the people in Europe, there is Ideal of Sweden, and I have a little code for you. You can use it to get some money off your order, and I will link it on the screen, so check that out. Another thing to go nicely with your phone case is a Popsocket. I have multiple collaborations with them on Instagram, and therefore I also have a code. You don't have to use it, but you can if you want to. And it will also be on the screen, but it helped me so much with my own phone. I used to drop my phone like all the time, but this gives me so much grip. At the moment I have this one from the holiday collection. This is what it looks like. It is so freaking cute. But I have multiple ones, even one with a lip balm in it. It's so handy, and one with me and Benny's picture on it. You have multiple choices. I have a link for that as well. I will link it on the screen and in the description if you're interested. You're not obligated to use my code, but you can. I will get a small percentage if you do so. But just wanted to put that out there. You can use my code, but you don't have to. Another thing that I would recommend is blue light glasses. I have multiple ones, one from Glass, I have one from Zine. I have multiple ones. However, I feel like they are a very great gift because it's a sign like I care about you and I want you to take good care of your eyes. And we have all been guilty to too much screen times the last 2 years. Like, let's be honest. Something that also is very nice to ask for are candles. To me, it doesn't really matter. You can do like the bougie candles, like with the body yaddy yaddy type of shape. But you can also ask for like simple, normal candles that come from Action, because in the end, you're burning your money anyways. So I like to burn my money for cheap and not like spend too much money on candles like that. But if you go for Action, I would say like spend like 10 or 20 euros and buy like a whole basket of candles and make sure that you got the person covered. That would be great. You know, I would be so happy with a gift like that. So definitely something to ask for or to gift to someone that likes candles. Hi, Benny.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good.
Why?
I don't know, I'm just good.
Okay. It's amazing.
I can be good?
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay.
Ga je lawaai maken of niet?
Yes, I'm gonna make lawaai. Of course.
Waarom?
Why not?
Waarom?
Why not? Niet lawaai maken.
Come say hi to the amigas. They haven't seen you in forever.
Hi amiga. Kom estás? Kom bij. Bon.
Okay. You're gonna...
Ik heb die beeld voor je besteld.
Okay, dank je.
Ik ga die lawaai maken.
Okay, top. So yeah, another thing that you can ask for are lamps. There are so many different lamps that you can ask for. You can do like normal ones, or you can do like a salt lamp. I didn't even know that a salt lamp, by the way, it has like more benefits to it. I would like one, but I have so many lamps already, so I'm not gonna get into that. But if I had the space, I would ask for one. Anyways, lamps are very cute. I will put a few options here on the screen. Like a mushroom lamp, oh my god. Those are so cute and so on trend at the moment. Cute. But you can also do a skylight or a, what do you call that even? Like a golden hour lamp. Those are so cute. And especially now that it's winter time, that can be really, really cute and boost someone's serotonin. So I definitely recommend those. Then another one is neon signs. You need to be into that, but I think they are cute as well. Maybe like a little flamingo or a little cactus tree or something that has like a very cute and bold text would be great. I don't know. Different options, and it depends on the person's taste, of course. Another one that is definitely one of my favorites, and in my opinion you can never have enough of, is perfume. You can ask for perfume. What is on my top list right now? The scent from Valentino is one that I really want right now, but from my collection that I could really recommend are... Hoe heet die Rodrigo van zijn voornaam ook alweer?
Wie?
Rodrigo, van die parfums.
Narciso
Rodrigo. Oh my god, ik kon er echt even niet meer op komen.
Oh, ik zal het niet ooit maken.
Make sure that you're really informed on what the person likes, because it's kind of a hit and miss, I would say. And things from my own collection that I could definitely recommend are the Good Girl collection from Carolina Herrera. Which one did you say? Tom Ford. Tom Ford. It's a little bit pricier. And also all the scents from Narciso Rodrigo Rodriguez are all good. I never had a scent from them that isn't good. So those I could also recommend. Another thing that is fun to give and fun to get are plants. You can do real plants, fake plants. Make sure the person likes plants before you give them plants that they didn't ask for. And they can be quite pricey, so yeah. Just make sure, and I'm talking about fake plants there, but make sure the person likes plants. Even pampas grass could be cute, but make sure the person is into that, because that's gonna cause some awkwardness if the person doesn't like that at all. So plants, real ones and fake ones. Yes, aesthetic posters. You have places like Dizenio or Poster Store that have like very, very cute posters. So if it's something that you think the person would like, then go for it, or ask it for yourself. It's an easy way to pimp up your house, your room, and basically just a space. So yes, posters. Posters are cute. And also poster frames could also be an idea. Maybe a poster frame with a poster in it already. That could be great. Another fun one would be... Wow, what is wrong with me? Another fun one would be mirrors, a whole body mirror from IKEA, or like a round mirror also from IKEA. What kind of mirrors else do you have? Like the heart-shaped ones. Like there are so many cute mirrors that you could ask for and that you could give to someone that you think is more fashionable. Like let them amp up their Insta game when it comes to making selfies and outfit pictures. So yeah, I definitely think that's one that would be great. Another one that is also cute and not that expensive is a breakfast/work table from IKEA. I have a wooden one, but I think it's the best thing ever to get your work done, but also if you want to do like breakfast in bed. So that one is also pretty cute. Mine was only 12 euros, I believe, but you have... Je zou geen lawaai maken.
Kijk waar ik ben! I didn't do it! Oh, thinking the whole house is coming down.
Anyways, I forgot what I was saying. Oh my god. A diffuser with matching essential oils would be great as a present. A very basic one, but makeup, like there's so much hype makeup right now. I think Charlotte Tilbury has a lot of cool makeup. It's a little pricier, but maybe a little lipstick or a lip kit set, you know. There are so many brands that you could ask for that are cute, but my personal favorite would be at the moment Charlotte Tilbury. NYX has very nice makeup. Huda Beauty, Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, Fenty Beauty. Rare Beauty. There are so many good makeup brands right now that are not directly available to me. So yeah, you're causing so much distraction. Okay. Face mists by Mario Badescu. You can do the red one, the green one, the purple one. There are so many variations. Or other face mists from Morphe, for example, that I heard very good things about. The blue one from Benefit is pretty good. So many options. Then gift cards are always great. A Zara gift card, a Shein gift card, an ASOS gift card. There are so many stores. Just figure out what the person is into and give them a gift card. You can never go wrong with that. Then cube mugs. Cube mugs are always a win. I like this one from Blonde Amsterdam. It's like with these little hearts on it, and my sister has it too. So that's pretty cute. Like new cutlery. I love this little spoon. It's from H&M Home. Like, look at it. So cute. Things like that. Reusable straws. So many things, you know. Lush products. You can never go wrong with Lush products. A nice bath bomb. A nice body wash. A face mask. A normal face mask that isn't from Lush. Yes, those are always good. Then Olaplex products. Olaplex specifically because it's such a hype, but it's also pretty good. I love Olaplex products. It is a little bit more pricey, but perfect to ask or perfect to give to someone. If you can afford it though. Then another thing that is pretty cute is 2-piece sets. You can find these at Primark. You can find these at H&M. There are so many places where you can find them, like Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, everywhere you can think of. There are like nice 2-piece sets, but yeah, 2-piece sets. Those are so cute. Then another one is also pajamas. It is so cute that you can wear those on Christmas morning, and yeah, to just give to someone, you know, that is so fun. This is gonna sound weird, but a wig, a ponytail. Hey, as a curly hair girl, I would be happy to get either one of those. A wig or a ponytail. So hey, trust me, there are people who would love that. But you could also do a gift card for a beauty supply store. You know, let them go and choose their own wig or their own ponytail. Then this is a spiritual one, but you can ask for a incense set. I like a little incense box with matching incense sticks, or like the little cones, Palo Santo. You can ask for all of those. That would be great for someone who loves spirituality. Yeah, I feel like that is it for the most interesting things that I could come up with. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything else that you think is pretty cool. And I would gladly be checking them out. But I think I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope I was able to at least inspire you a little bit with some things that you can ask for or things that you can gift. Remember, this is a season that is already expensive, so there's no need to make it more expensive than it already is. And let's just not focus too much on perfection this year, because perfection can ruin the joy. Perfection can really ruin the joy. Take it easy, take it slow. Accept that it doesn't need to be much, you know. It's all about being together, having delicious foods, and just enjoying being together. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas. Once again, make sure to try out this drink because it is lit. It is lit. And I will see you in the next video, which will be on Sunday. Bye, amiga. Say bye, amiga. Bye, amiga.
Oh, bye, amigas.
Again.
Bye, amigas.